Welcome to the IVM Podcast Network.
TFG Fantasy Cricket is an IVM production, and you can also check out their other awesome shows like Geek Fruit with fellow and television geeks Tejas, Jishnu and Dinkar as they discuss the world of science fiction and nerd culture.
You're listening to TFG Fantasy Cricket.
Hey guys, good morning. Welcome to a new episode of TFG Fantasy Cricket Podcast. It's a new week. We are almost in the semis of Champions Trophy. We in the sense the fantasy team, क्योंकि इंडिया तो ऑलरेडी पहुंच गया है. साउथ अफ्रीका तो कोई फाइट ही नहीं देना है, ना इंडिया को देना है, ना पाकिस्तान को देने का. I have a South African fan in front of me, Vivek Krishnan. How do you feel? How was your yesterday? Nadal won, South Africa lost so miserably. What do you think of it?
I think bigger picture and most important thing got accomplished, which obviously is Rafa Nadal winning 10 times in Paris and getting the statue and all that. I need not 20 minutes to talk about his accomplishment. I could go on and on and on. But coming back to your first question, South Africa, I expected a fight. I knew India would have the slight edge given the conditions, given the current form, given how India has fared in the Champions Trophy. And somebody after the match wrote to me, official sponsors of South Africa is choke. I didn't reply to him. इनफैक्ट मेरे को बहुत सारे ऐसे मैसेजेस आते हैं ओवर द इयर्स. अभी मैं इम्यून हो चुका हूँ बिकॉज
टीम भी सपोर्ट कर रही है ये टैग को.
You put them in a bilateral try series, they are unbeatable. They are still the number one side in the world. Let's not forget that. But what they displayed against India was almost uncalled for, school type cricket. Two champion batsmen not calling each other, not trusting each other, no coordination, no communication. Ricky Ponting said it's not 50,000 people shouting at the oval, 20-25,000 people, and if you still can't hear what your partner is saying, you really need to get back to basics. It was very disappointing the way they started off. That was nice, and I was telling everybody who was watching with me, and yesterday I had to split myself into two groups. So I finished the cricket match. I didn't finish the cricket match. I saw the first innings, and when 100 for 1, I said, lovely, what a wonderful platform. AB de Villiers walked in, the first shot, I said fluent. Immediately Ian Bishop on air used the same word. I said, wow, aaj maza aane wala hai. And I told them 330, anything under 330, India will just do it in a canter. AB de Villiers run out. I said, अब तो कोई होप नहीं है. फिर भी एज अ फैन यू हैव एन आउटसाइड होप कुछ हो जाए करके, एंड दैट वाज ऑन डेविड मिलर एंड फाफ डू प्लेसी. फाफ रिपीटेड हिज मिस्टेक एंड इट वाज कर्टन्स. 180, I said, okay, you guys enjoy, because I'm not going to be involved. And then I had to switch from London to Paris. I said, okay, I'll do that. So I left and I joined another. अच्छा बनाना होता है. Another group. I left half an hour before the match started, and in the end, I just looked at the score. And I said, chalo, theek hai, jo hua, ho gaya. I'm bitterly disappointed with South Africa. This is not how a number one side should be playing. And if people say they are chokers, I have to accept it because that's how they have been playing.
Okay. A small apology for not putting up West Indies versus Afghanistan. As you can see,
दिल और दिमाग पे दौरा पड़ता है तो ऐसा हो जाता है.
Mixed reactions थे विवेक से.
Yes.
With yesterday show. But going ahead, there are few more matches between West Indies Afghanistan.
Afghanistan, I think एक ODI बचा है मेरे ख्याल में, एक या दो बचा है. We'll do that for sure.
We'll make sure that the team will.
But let me touch upon this fact. On Thursday, Friday, many people wrote to us. Many people asked us why you keep picking Shakib as your captain or vice captain. मेरे ख्याल में आपको जवाब मिल गया है, and I gave it to you with a reason, with logic, with facts. And somebody wrote to me, why Rashid Khan? Now I cannot disclose the identity, but once again, jawab mil chuka hai. So what we do, it's calculated over a period of time, and many people still feel it is betting, and a fool writes to us saying this didn't work, that didn't work. But again, he's a fool for a reason. So we don't.
But I'll tell you what. मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि बहुत से रिएक्शंस इस वजह से आते हैं क्योंकि वो लास्ट 3 मैच देख के डिसीजन लेते हैं.
यही तो प्रॉब्लम होता है ना निखिल. देखो अगर
if you look at 10-15 innings of that athlete, you'll come to know what kind of
it's like
is.
yeah. So if let's say today, the way fantasy cricket has evolved in India, every match, every series, you will have new entrants coming in.
Yeah.
So it is very difficult for them to know what has happened in the last 10 matches. Now let's take an example of the Indian stock market. Now if you and I, we are to enter a company, buy a stock, we will do our research, maybe 10 days पहले क्या हुआ उसका. But a year back, we would not even know what kind of a performance they had.
Yeah.
Because that's negligence, that's ignorance. And we are very comfortable with the graph that says 10 days, 15 days, and 3 months ऊपर गया करके. But what happened even before that, we care less about it.
Yeah.
That's how analysis works, boys. And okay, girls भी है आजकल खेलते हैं. So it is very important for you to keep longevity in mind and trust. If you see it's a game of average, play a series. When I say series, I'm not talking 3 ODIs. I'm saying a full tournament and look for yourself the results. And I'm pretty sure it will be in the positive. Do you agree with me, Nikhil?
Yeah. Totally. So hopefully those who have played must have got their money's worth.
Oh, but see, we forget, time and again, we have hit 1,000 followers. हमने फेसबुक में थैंक किया, हमने ट्विटर में थैंक किया, हम पॉडकास्ट में डेली करते हैं, थैंक नहीं करते यार. थैंक यू एवरीबडी फॉर ट्रिमेंडस एनकरेजमेंट, फॉर ऑल द सपोर्ट. वी आर 1,000+. वी आर स्क्रीमिंग टुवर्ड्स 1,500 नाउ. सो yes.
Yeah, let's move on to it. एक बात हम लोग को अभी एक ट्वीट आया है कि guys, you know that Kusal Mendes is injured. Kusal Mendes is not injured. Kusal Perera is injured.
आजकल हमारे फॉलोअर्स के पास प्लेयर्स का वीजा होता है, प्लेयर्स का पासपोर्ट होता है, टिकट होता है. कल किसी ने कहा कि रविंद्र जडेजा has become a father, which is great news. So he was there he was doing the security for Ravindra Jadeja, and he wrote to me from there saying he's on his way to Rajkot from London.
Don't be that.
तो ऐसा नहीं चलता भाई. अगर this is at the end of the day, it's an international tournament. It's a commitment towards your country. All the great players sacrifice their personal life, and it's unless, and like Nikhil explained to you, अगर ऐसा कुछ होता है तो वो न्यूज बन जाएगा.
Yeah.
और न्यूज बनता है तो शायद हमें भी पता लग जाएगा, and then we'll make the change. Coming back to Mendes, please explain.
No, there's nothing to explain. Kusal Perera,
to explain.
We have holded the point on
Yes.
our favor. Okay, let's move on to Pakistan versus Sri Lanka.
Good
quarterfinals.
A good match.
Good match. I think Sri Lanka is a notch ahead.
I would say 50-50. Both can play good cricket. Both can be equally bad. And I don't know. It's difficult to call a favorite here. But I don't know. I just feel Pakistan. Because Pakistan have beaten Sri Lanka consistently in ICC tournaments.
Is Perera a big blow?
Not really, Nikhil. I don't think so. Kusal Perera is a big blow because against Pakistan, you don't need a very strong batting lineup. When you have guys like Tisera, when you have guys like Asela, you have guys like Angelo, it's a formidable middle order. The Indians just found that out.
Yeah.
So I don't think Sri Lanka should be worried. Chances are Dhananjay De Silva. We don't talk about this guy. A few months ago, he was the star of Sri Lankan cricket.
Yep.
Suddenly, देखो लोग बातें नहीं करते. But I still feel the opening pair of Dickwella, then there is Kusal Mendes, Gunatilaka is there, so it's a decent batting.
Okay, let me just go through the team that is already up on our website, thefangarage.com. So we start with Dickwella as a keeper.
Yeah.
In batting we have, you have taken Fakhar Zaman.
Fakhar Zaman, I have taken him because again the PSL product, he's likely to open. मैंने कहा था Ahmed Shehzad नहीं खेलेगा और वो नहीं खेला. And I also feel Mohammad Hafiz का spot is in danger. People are asking Malik or Hafiz. I would say simply pick Shoaib Malik for his class and experience.
Okay.
Yes.
We have Gunatilaka.
Yeah.
Kusal Mendes.
Gunatilaka opens. Gunatilaka also bowls a few overs. I have not picked him for his bowling, but for his batting top order में. और अगर वो wicket देता है, वो एक bonus है.
Okay. Kusal Mendes, Babar Azam. Babar
Azam as my vice captain. Yeah. I think what I saw of him against South Africa, against a quality batting, it conveyed a lot to me. There is composure, there is poise, there is confidence, and there is assurance. Okay. So, and Babar has been my favorite for a long time. हमने actually कितने लोगों को introduce किया यार world cricket में?
Yeah, that's true. In all-rounders category, we have Asela Gunaratne. So you are saying कि Gunatilaka और Gunaratne 5 overs करते हैं?
वो बिल्कुल करेंगे. In fact, Gunaratne might bowl full 10 like he did against India.
Yeah.
And on a slow wicket, he could be very, very handful.
Yeah. And batting,
you have to be answerable. Mumbai Indians ने एक गेम क्यों नहीं खिलाया उसको?
और कहाँ किसकी जगह खिला था?
Yeah, that's a good question.
But you know that 6 against कौन? Jadeja को मारा था?
That's 6 against, yes. No,
नहीं, not
Jasprit.
Jadeja. Yeah, Jasprit Bumrah
What a shot, man.
Yeah, I think that's a shot of the tournament. Yeah.
No question about it. बैठ के zup करके. Yeah.
Yeah, we have Angelo Matthews, Shoaib Malik, जैसे explain किया विवेक ने. In bowling category we have Hassan Ali, Mohammad Amir. Yes, you have to pick somebody, one more pacer from Pakistan. Wahab is injured. So there is a toss-up between either Junaid or Mohammad Amir. हम Amir के साथ जाएंगे. Okay, and Lasith Malinga. So the pace attack will be Lasith, Nuwan Pradeep and Suranga Lakmal. अब आप मेरे को बताओ कौन बेहतर है तीनों में. नहीं, बेहतर की बात नहीं है, but don't you think Lasith has aged up a bit?
Yes,
See,
बिल्कुल.
He didn't bowl good against India.
No,
even
he didn't. He got 2 wickets because people wanted to slog him.
Yeah.
Similar thing could happen against Pakistan, and I'm not too sure how many of these Pakistani batsmen have played Malinga lately. Let's be very honest, यहाँ वहाँ leagues में ये लोग अक्सर नहीं खेलते. Unlike India. So this is the problem, and I just feel going with experience, given the stage, Lasith Malinga might have the edge over Lakmal and Nuwan Pradeep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Kusal Mendes, you are very sure as a captain.
I'm very sure because flat wickets hai, he likes to absorb all the pressure. He's still Sri Lanka's best batsman. He has form on his side, and 89 मारा था India के साथ, so भाई ले लो. And this is all very volatile, Nikhil. If you look at these two teams, very underperforming teams, yes, they have got 2 points under their belt. But if you look at their overall caliber, there isn't much to pick from. Whom do you pick? Angelo Matthews, who's not going to bowl even over.
Yeah.
You can't make him a captain. Gunaratne is one choice, but otherwise, I really don't know. You can't make Azhar Ali a captain. किसको बनाओगे आप? So I have to go with two stable batsmen.
एक question जो मुझे भी आ रहा है और शायद तक काफी followers को आएगा कि we don't have any place for Imad Wasim or Hafiz.
Yeah. Good question.
Hafiz is an all-rounder?
Hafiz is an all-rounder. Imad also is an all-rounder. So I thought about it. It's a very good question. Mohammad Hafiz, जैसे मैंने कहा, if they have to play Fahim Ashraf, who's an all-rounder, Mohammad Hafiz could make way for him. And Mohammad Hafiz doesn't bowl every time. You know, he's a batsman who bowls medium pacer, more of a Asela Gunaratne type.
Okay.
So, I don't know Mohammad Hafiz ki jagah kitni sure hai. And then Imad Wasim. If I pick Imad, I have to drop a Malik, a Gunaratne or a Matthews, Nikhil. I wanted to drop Matthews, but I said, nahi. वो बहुत बड़ी गलती हो जाएगी. So, and I have 2 bowlers in any case from Pakistan. Okay. And Imad Wasim ko Sri Lanka is a good team of spin bowlers. So, yeah.
Okay, they are not like South Africa.
No. वो तुम्हें बोलना ही था ना लास्ट में.
नहीं, that was the trick. They played more spinners. Even India, they played more spinners against South Africa.
Yeah, I mean that's why South Africa succumbed to pressure. Imad Wasim, Mohammad Hafiz, they had Shadab Khan, they had Shoaib Malik also. So,
yeah. So that goes on to show. Okay, guys. On that note, we'll close this episode over here.
Yeah.
The article is already up on our website, thefangarage.com. If you have any doubts, on Twitter, TFG Fantasy 11, that is XI, and on Facebook as Fantasy Pandit.
And also, next time, अगर आपको कोई update देने हैं, injury हो या player घर जा रहा हो for whatever reason, if possible, can you just also give us the link from where you are getting the information? So it will help us also. And if we feel it's fake or not appropriate, we can help you. That's all.
Okay, yeah. On that note, goodbye. Bye-bye.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is your captain speaking. Sorry to say, but there's been a slight delay due to the apocalypse having suddenly begun. As you can see, there's death, destruction, and chaos taking place all around us. But don't you worry, food and drinks will be served shortly, and I would recommend checking out
IVM Podcasts
to get some of your favorite Indian podcasts. We'll keep you going till this whole thing blows over. Thank you.